Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 5 unit 2 geography of Pakistan lesson number 5 over country. As we have completed this whole chapter, today we are going to do its exercise. It is page number 45. Let's start. Question number 1. Describe two contrasting geographical features of Pakistan. And the answer of question number 1 is the two contrasting geographical features of Pakistan are number one is to the south there are stretches of Makran coastline along the Arabian Sea, and the second is in the north there are farmlands. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. Write about some of the things in Pakistan of which you are proud, and the answer of question number 2 is there are many things in Pakistan which make us proud, such as there are fields lush with crops, there are colorful valleys with snow-capped mountains, and there are so many historical sites and buildings in Pakistan. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. How can you make Pakistan a better place? And its answer is we can help to make Pakistan an even more beautiful place by controlling the spread of diseases and poverty and by keeping our environment clean. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4. Name the international organizations of which Pakistan is a member, and its answer is United Nations, OIC, SAARC. This is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5. What are the features that attract tourists to Pakistan? And its answer is the northern areas are special features of Pakistan to attract the tourists. Question number 6. In what way is Islamabad different from most of Pakistan's other large cities? And its answer is Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan and well-planned city. It is the seat of government, so all the foreign embassies are located here. This is the answer of question number 6. Question number 7. Why are there not many ancient buildings in Quetta? And its answer is in Quetta there are not many ancient buildings because in 1935 a terrible earthquake had destroyed most of the city. This is the answer of question number 7. Question number 8. Which town is called the frontier town? And its answer is Peshawar in KPK is called frontier town. This is the answer of question number 8. Question number 9. Differentiate between private and public goods. Give one example of each, and its answer is private goods are not available to everyone but only for those who pay for them. For example, getting a haircut, eating in a restaurant. Public goods are available to everyone, for example, water supply, parks, etc. This is the answer of question number 9. Next, it is page number 46, work page. A is Pakistan has been the home of past civilization and empires. Where would you find the remains of the Kandahara civilization? Write a few lines about it. And its answer is the Kandahara civilization was in the north and northwest of the country. The remains of Kandahara civilization can be found in Texla. Next, B. Fill in the blanks. There are dusty plains in the south of the country. Number 2, the Thar Desert is in the east of the country. 3, we export sport equipment to many countries. 4, SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Next is, to the south is the Makran coast along the Arabian Sea. Next, question number C. Look at a detailed map of Pakistan. See if you can find the following cities and towns on it. First one is 2 cities in Punjab beginning with M, and the answer is Multan, Mandi Bahauddin, Mianwali. You can write 2 names, any 2 names from these 3 names. Next is 3 district capitals of Balochistan beginning with K. First is Karachi, Kalat and Karan. Next, 2 district capitals of Sindh beginning with S. Shikarpur, Sujawal, Sakhar. Fourth one, the capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's northernmost district beginning with C. Charsadda. And Chitral. ठीक है. Next, the capital cities of the provinces. अब जितने भी provinces हैं उनकी capital cities कौन कौन से हैं? लाहौर, कराची, कोयटा, पेशावर and Gilgit-Baltistan. As you can see here again, the whole page of this word page. This is the answer of A. These are the fill in the blanks, and then C, the short answers questions. As we have completed this whole chapter, in our next video we will discuss the next chapter. Allah Hafiz.